going on YouTube? This your boy Most Incredible, back with another video today. Back with another incredible video. incredible. You get it? So I gotta take my car to Dodge. They finally called me. We scheduled an appointment for this Thursday to get the race stripes put back on, because you know on the end of it is peeling off. On the back, on the trunk of it is peeling on both sides. And I'm gonna take it to Dodge to get it redone, because it's still up on the factory warranty, like I said. And I want it done because it's looking real ugly. You know, then when I go wash my car, I go over that part and it feel like it is pulling right on up. And it's pulling right on up. So I'm like, dang, if I keep doing this thing, it gonna keep pulling right on up. So finally they called and told me that my race rights are in, and the guy that does the wrap for them, he's coming on Thursday to do it. So I'm like, all right, bet I'll just drop it off to y'all early in the morning, or later on after I get off work on Wednesday. So 9 times out of 10, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop it off that Wednesday, and I just, you know what I'm saying, go to work, you know what I'm saying, and it's cool, and it's be good with it. But and then another thing is that your boy need a oil change too as well. Your boy need an oil change. Your boy need a haircut. Your boy need to shave. Your boy need everything right about now. It's completely, this has been a long week. I'm just glad the week about over with. It don't matter. Shout out to Starbucks. You already see what it is. It's nasty though, but it's good, but it's all right. But anyways, your boy needs some work done in his car, needs some work done in his face, his hair, and everything. So it don't really matter about that. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Like I said, we gonna get this work done. We gonna get everything done we need to get done this week. So on that note, y'all, let's get it. But I'm actually taking my car in for the decals right here. But this right here is factory. It came with it on there, so they are actually doing it for me for free. I got this piece, but they seen this piece. They didn't see this piece, but it's coming with this piece, mainly the piece that coming off. If it was peeling from this side, they would blame it on the purple. So which is not peeling from this side, not peeling from this side bad. You know, they taking it from this side, so they actually gonna replace this and this one. As you can see, I know it's a little dirty, but y'all know I wash my car in the rain. And they actually gonna replace this too as well, because they said that these pieces are all coming together. So I'm thinking that they're gonna replace all of these two, because if you look at it from right here, this is a separate piece from this. So they gonna replace all of this. And right now I'm just cleaning my car out, because I don't want them to get in my car. I'm like, dang, this dude keep his damn car junky. I mean, my floor mats are dirty. It's got grass all on it, but I'm not about to let them see how junky my car is. Cause look at this. Y'all don't worry about this. I got to move this back some, so I got to move that somewhere. It got to go, because I'm planning on getting a customized speaker box in my trunk, so that has to move somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, because it's kind of short, but I'm gonna find a way to put it, because I don't want to take them things out, because man, that thing look good in my car. So I'm gonna find some way to put it. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff in my damn hand. It's some dang on hoodies and stuff like that, what I had during the summertime. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna take my car to Dodge. They gonna do everything for me tomorrow. They're doing everything for me tomorrow, and I won't have a car until tomorrow afternoon. So how I'm gonna get to work? I'll make a way. I've been making ways all my life. Now let me stop. You already know how I'm gonna get to work, so that's no problem. No ifs and buts about it. So I got that. Don't worry about nothing. I'll see y'all at Dodge. But right now, your boy driving in eco mode, bro. Gas prices is too freaking ridiculous to try to push it to the limit, yo. Gas prices is too freaking ridiculous. So I'm not doing that, yo. I'm not pushing my car to the limit. I mean, I'm not driving in sports custom or track mode, yo. I'm driving the straight eco. Like, I can't even shift paddle. Like, look at this. Shift paddle, what? Nah, I was straight up eco. I know, straight up. But it is what it is. So y'all, I'm up here at Dodge, right? These people ain't got shit. Whoa. These are all somebody's cars right there. Well, no, they're not. I think they are. I don't know, but they ain't got nothing, broski. What the world? So let's go to this little V6. Let's go to the 3.6. Sure. Not little, but let's go over here and see what they're asking for this 2021. They asking for $35K for a 2021 V6 SSC. Where the black top at? What dang on black top do y'all give people? Dodge. What black top? This is a red top. This ain't no dang on black top. And not only that, then you got the 15, 14. Okay, so I guess this is the black top because of the black piece in the front. Okay. So why you don't say a black end? Not a black top. Then you got the scat pack, you know what I'm saying? I seen this when I came up here to a car show at Dodge, but they didn't have a price on it. And not only that, look at them seats. What y'all call these seats? These seats? They got the same seats in the damn V6 that they got in the scat pack. Like, bro, what? But as you can see, the screen is protected and it's plastered all over it. So it's a brand new, so it's 2021. Then you got this clean, mean machine here, but you got a price on this one because I seen it already. I decided to go ahead and do a video of these cars. And this is my first time ever doing a video on these. But the thing about it though, the thing that I don't like about it is that these damn C's. Oh, what? I'm paying $50,000 for a freaking ugly seat. Yo, come on, Dodge. Y'all give me ugly seats. This is $49,000, not $50,000, but it's $49,000. You know what I'm saying? But 2021, but I still got the damn seats that I got in the V6. Come on, Dodge. Y'all can do better than this. But hey, I can't knock this. The shaker tough. Then I got one I want to show y'all that I think is just outrageous, beautiful. This mug, it's just a wide body for me, yo. The Octane Red can be thrown away. It's just a wide body for me. I think personally that the wide body are just harder than anything in the world. It's a 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack RT. Total price is $52. Yo, this shit tough. And it says SRT rim bros. So is this a SRT? Or is it just a is it a SRT? Because if so, then it's pretty. Nah, it's not an SRT. But y'all see Yoshi over there looking lovely. So, but I mean, but hey, for the asking price for this 52, because what before the chip shortage, what was it? 40 something. Quote me if I'm wrong. And you can tell that they're brand new too. Look at it. Look at that. You know that thing brand new. 2021. Ain't no miles on this besides the miles that they took it off the truck with. But I can't see myself in a Challenger because I don't really like Challenger. They got too much of a blind spot for me. What's going on, everybody? What's going on? So unfortunately, look at my seat. I don't never sit this close up to the steering wheel. This is why I understand why Slime Pack said. I understand why Slime Pack said, "Don't touch my seat." But thank God. Move back. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Most Incredible, back with another video today. The same video, but the thing about it, we couldn't get the doggone subscribe done because of the rain. Down South Georgia, it need to stop raining for at least a good week, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. That's all I asked for. Is 3 weeks of no rain. And y'all see, I wash my hair and everything else because your boy gonna get a haircut. Your boy get a haircut every 2 weeks. But let's crank this bad boy up. I don't know how long it's been sitting, so let's crank this bad boy up. Y'all don't really hear what I hear because the because the video does no justice. The video does no justice. For real. All right, but on another note, with the whole rain and everything, that they would not be able to do the racist rights because it'd have been even worse than what it is. I understand that, but I'm just mad that I didn't get a phone call. Like, y'all could not call me. Like, I'm a loyal customer. I come here every time I need an oil change. I always come here, and y'all couldn't call me to say, hey, we can't get the racist rights on because it's raining, and if we do put it on, it will be even worse than what it is. So they don't get no respect for me for that one. I'm sorry, they don't get no respect. That's no go. This is the second strike. The first strike was when I got my oil change. They had grease all on here. That was the first. This is the second one. Hey, you got one more. But on another note, I got my oil change. There's no grease. But bruh. My front tires. So, I need those 275 40/20s. This is how much they would have cost me. But your boy ordered something already. Your boy ordered something from Amazon because they are cheaper on Amazon than they are cheaper at Dodge. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna order mine from. I already ordered mine from Amazon, and I just go to pay, and I just pay for them. They come in tomorrow. So why do I need Dodge to order me some tires? I saved $100 and something through Amazon. It makes sense. It makes perfect sense of me ordering my tires through Amazon. So it doesn't matter about that, yo. I would have went through Dodge if Dodge was like, if I knew Dodge was $213 a tire. They $213 a tire. Tire disposable. I don't need that. Mount was $44. I'll take my tires back with me. Shop supplies, see there? That's why I order them through Amazon. Look at this. $5.19 one day. $5.19. So the tires that I got on the front came off the back, and not only that, I had to put my tire leather back on because the tire leather does so much justice, so much better to my rims. I'm gonna show y'all. My brakes are good. My tires are in the red. My front tires are in the red because they came off the back when I did a burnout for my niece at her graduation party. And I wanted to show off a little bit. So that's what I did. I showed off a little bit. That didn't look too good. No, that was gay as hell. But I showed off for my niece. I wanted to do something. I did it. And I made my little cousin Ebony jump out of the car on me. I wish I had that video when she jumped out the car, because oh my God, boy, that thing was funny. You hear me? She jumped in the car. Oh, I'm gonna go to the store. Yeah, you better go to the store, all right? Oh, let me tell you, I smoked that road out. And I still got the burn marks right there, yo. But on another note, y'all, this is not a failed video. This is a successful video. They couldn't do it because of the whole rain. And you know, down South Georgia, it get rain like constant. So they got the racist rights in. They just waiting on the rain to stop. And when it stops, they'll call me in. Which I doubt if they ever call me in, because they'll never call me for something else. So on that note, yo, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting your boy. You know, it's been a long journey. It's almost been a year since I've been on YouTube. I haven't been dropping video constant like that. I have 131 subscribers. So I truly do appreciate each and every one of y'all. So, you know, I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all. So like, comment, subscribe, and we out.